Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I use to keep my skin in balance. As you guys know, I do suffer from PCOS, so the very beginning stages of that was my face breaking out insanely bad. So now that my skin is kind of calmed down a little bit, I do experience still a little bit of hormonal breakouts down here towards the jawline, a little bit on the cheeks, but not as much as it used to be, and then the occasional ones on the forehead. So what I have been using and loving recently, I'm actually going to show you guys the first day I used it. You can see kind of what my skin looked like and now what it's looked like after using it for 2 weeks. And I'm definitely loving it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. This particular line of Proactive is especially for acne prone skin. So here we have the Deep Cleansing Wash, the Daily Oil Control Moisturizer, and the Adapalene Gel. I'm still not 100% on how to say that, but these are the 3 beautiful babies that I have been using these last couple weeks to get my skin to pretty much where it's at right now. It still has a little ways to go and I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like at the very end, but I wanted to show you guys how I use the Proactive system, what works best for me in the daytime, what works best for me in the nighttime, and just really how I have been able to maintain my skin, especially with it being very acne prone. So let's get on into it. I always want to take off the first layer of makeup with just a makeup wipe, and I will show you guys exactly what my skin is looking like right now. It's a little bit more broken out than usual just because, you know, ladies, we all know why. Even with the best makeup wipes, you will always see that there's still a little bit of makeup under the eyes, maybe like right here in the nose, but this is what my face looks like with just the makeup wipes taking off the makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse with my Proactive Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Before I dry my face off, I just want to show you guys, see how this gets extra makeup off? So anything that's like under the eyes, you'll notice, I'm just gonna do a little swipe, it gets off even all of that. So once I have completely dried my face, I'm going to go in with the Adapalene Gel. This is an acne treatment, and all you want to do is just squeeze some of that gel onto your finger and apply all over the infected areas, just a thin layer over the infected areas. So my problem is mostly my cheeks and my jaw, because that's where I see the most acne pop up, and I'm just going to do a bit up here, just because I did get a few pimples on my forehead lately, and why not just get some on the nose? Since it's nighttime, I'm just gonna do the acne gel, but in the morning time, and I will show you guys the morning routine, I am gonna throw on the daily moisturizer. Okay guys, so for the daytime, I pretty much do the same exact thing. I wash my face with the Deep Cleansing Face Gel, and then I throw on the Daily Oil Control Moisturizer. So I just do these 2. I originally was doing the gel as well, but I noticed it was kind of drying out my face during the day, so I prefer for it to just happen at night. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick little rinse. This guy, what I seriously love about this is it just feels super refreshing. Like, even if I'm using it morning, night, it doesn't matter. It feels super refreshing on the skin, and it actually has little beads in it, so it's a very gentle exfoliator, which I think is super nice when you're trying to get rid of a lot of that dead skin and kind of like that first layer of maybe bad skin, right? But I especially love this in the morning because I feel like it kind of wakes me up. Like I said, it kind of has this fresh, I don't want to say minty because I feel like minty is not the right word, but it's just this like fresh feeling on your face, and again, it is a very nice light exfoliant, so that really does help kind of get rid of all the dirt and everything on your face from the day, so it's awesome for nighttime use also. So once the face is nice and washed, we're gonna go ahead and just take some of the lotion. What I really love about the Daily Oil Control Moisturizer is, one, it's not super oily. It keeps your skin feeling fresh even after being dried maybe throughout the night. And it has SPF 30. If I have learned anything from a friend of mine who is a licensed esthetician, it is that you must always wear sunblock. So the fact that this has sunblock in it and it's a high SPF is beautiful. I just kind of want to do a little cameo for this guy. Honestly, I don't think that the pimples that I was getting, especially on this cheek wasn't too bad, but the ones that I was getting on this cheek would have cleared up as fast if it wasn't for this. I definitely do have to say that it does dry out your skin, so that's why I suggested using this one only at night, because I did notice a little bit of drying along the nose here, but it's good and bad, because even though it's drying out some of the good parts of my skin, it is also drying out some of the parts that desperately needed it because of all of the oil that may have been on my face, or just whatever it is that was causing the acne to continue to grow. This guy has been literally like a saving grace to me because it has dramatically reduced the appearance of my active acne. Like, as you can see, definitely gone down from the first. If you guys are interested in trying out the Proactive system that I have been using, definitely check out the info down below. I will have everything listed there where you guys can get it, how much it is, all of that down below for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys pretty much what I've experienced in just a few short weeks. Imagine what this is gonna look like in a month, 2 months, 3 months, you know what I mean? So I really wanted to get this video out and just kind of show you guys how my skin is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video.